Hi all, welcome to new video of Horilla development series. In this video, we are going to see raw editors for HorillaListView. The raw editors means in certain list view records raw, there we having some kind of actions like some kind of alert or pop-up uh, or redirect to the detail view, something like that. Okay, like when we go to the employees. Okay, when I click on the any employee record over here, here you can see I'm just redirect to the different yeah, detailed view of the employee. Similarly, when I go to the attendance, when I click on the row, you can see a detailed view is coming for the attendance record. So like this, maybe we having some kind of actions when we click on the row. So for that, we can create make use of the row editors. I mean attribute available inside the Horilla list view. So yeah, here is our list view. So let's jump into our Visual Studio. Then we can close this. Okay, we can remove the last tutorial changes. Okay. Then when we check on the Horilla list view, the Horilla list class, and search for row ATTS, yeah, here is the row ATTS attribute inside list view. So yeah, it's accept string. Okay, now let's check inside the Horilla list table template. Here's your Horilla list table. Okay, search for row ATTS. Okay, here you can see the row ATTS is has been called inside the table row. Okay, so in certain cases, if I click on the row, I need to happen some kind of actions. Also, here is a format function. Using this format function, I'm able to access the record information or functions attributes inside a single basis. I'll show you right now. For this tutorial, I'm just going to do a simple alert when you click on the row with the employee information inside the shift request. So it's a row editor, and on click, I'm going to do a simple alert. Also the employee information. I can access the employee information using a single code. Here you can see I'm using a format function. The format function expecting to I mean swap information from the record when there is some single pair base is available, and here I can provide the model information like when we check on the employee shift request model. Here's the employee ID inside the model. I can provide that over here. Yeah. Now let's refresh the server, restart the server. Python 3 manage.py run server. Okay, when I check and refresh, when I click on the row, let's inspect. Okay, yeah, quotation is missing over here. So let's add a quotation inside. Okay, now let's restart the server. Okay, let's wait for the server to restart. Okay, now let's click on the record. Yeah, here you can see the alert is coming. Okay, so that's how we configure the raw ATTS inside HorillaListView. I hope you understand this video. If you have any doubt, you can add it inside the comment. Thank you for watching.